Which equation is a linear function? A linear function is something in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. M can be any number. B can be any number. What's important is y and x is x. It is not x squared. It is not square root of x. It is not x to the whoever power. It is not x on the bottom. It is not x to the negative. It's just x. So let's take a look at these. Y equals is good. The number is good. The number is good. X is in the denominator. Can't be A. Y equals the number is good. Up, X is in the denominator. Can't be B. Y equals 65 plus 1.2x. And if you're like, wait a minute, x is x. Number is number. It's just out of order. Okay, it can be out of order. This is fine. I can write this out if I really wanted to as y equals 1.2x plus 65, and I'm good as gold. So C is going to be my guy. D is not because x squared is no good. So linear, y equals mx plus b. C is the one that matches up close enough with that.